Hello everyone, today I'll teach you how to use rotate piece above the toolbar in GetonAgain CAD. It has two uses. First, if we do not need to copy the pattern, we select the pattern we need to rotate, and then click Rotate Piece. Enter the angle and the direction here. Click OK. You can see its direction has been changed. The second use, if we need to rotate and copy pattern, we first put the pattern on the marker. Select the pattern. Click Rotate Piece. Click Copy Piece here. Also enter the angle and the direction. Click OK. You can see that a new pattern is generated.